Today we finally made it to another piece of silo art. We are at the Portland Silo Art. It is in the grounds of the old Portland Cement. Portland Cement was a well-known Aussie brand of cement. You can have a wander around the yard of the factory, it looks like, a little bit. We'll go and have a look at that in a minute. But there's a little picnic area at the base of the silo that's got a nice garden attached to it. Portland is about 15-20 minutes out of Lithgow, west of the Blue Mountains, and yeah, we've come out here to explore the area a little bit more today, and this behind me is something that we've wanted to do for a while. The men captured on the silo art are 6 employees from the cement works apparently. While the artist was researching the artwork and his subjects, these guys told their stories about working at the cement works and how it affected the town and the industry. The artwork was completed in 2018.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
We would have liked to have gone inside the cement works and had a look at the artwork, but there's a fence between us and it. Have you ever explored west of the Blue Mountains? Let us know in the comments below where your favourite place to visit was. Portland is just a small country town with a few shops to wander around, so here's a quick look at Portland. A few minutes up the road is Lake Wallace, a beautiful picnic area and campground where you can free camp for up to 48 hours. In 1836, while Charles Darwin was exploring west of the Blue Mountains, he stayed nearby here on the Cox's River and saw his first platypus. This is Pearson's Lookout, which is 907 metres above sea level and 627 metres from the lowest part of the valley floor. Capertree Valley is the second largest enclosed canyon in the world. It is 1 kilometre wider than the Grand Canyon. Capertree National Park is obviously, the valley is part of the national park, and it is surrounded by other national parks including Wallerang, which we've also visited, the Garden of Stone National Park, which is what we were actually trying to do today, but due to the fact that it seems to be all 4-wheel drive driving, we're not going to go there because our little Mazda won't do that. Just a quick one today. If you liked what you saw, why not hit the like and subscribe button, ring that little bell and you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye.